ordered momos and chole, kulche. Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. We are at the airport and obviously we are with the only person I'm always at the airport with. Kanchi's eating vada pav. How is it? Careful.
Samosa pav.
Oh, it's samosa pav. It looks good though. Yeah? We are coincidentally wearing the exact same thing. Like, obviously the top is not the same, but like if I show you our outfits, we look like we're like twins and our parents dressed us and they didn't feel like putting any thought into it, so they made us wear the same thing. But yeah, we've done everything. We're going to Delhi, by the way, for work, and we're going to meet many of you all tomorrow at Nikaland. Yay!
Yours is donut flavor.
Yeah. Hey, this is
Can you both please show your fits and like literally everything you all are carrying and like your jacket, like literally the same.
Do we have to stand on us? Yes. And see our matches.
Now show your jackets.
Vaishnavi is coming with us. Yay! Our flight is delayed by hours. We've been here for 2 hours already.
No, we've have gossiped about the whole
Everything.
vlog at the same time. Miss together.
Our vlogs genuinely always look good. Guys, they have changed the gate last minute. Literally last minute. We were
in one corner.
Yeah, suddenly they are like 41B. Now we have to walk all the way across. And since 2-3 hours we're just sitting here and doing nothing, gossiping. Again, yeah. Bro, if we go there and again it's delayed, I'm gonna be pissed.
I think this is the last decision that they
Even I think. We were gonna go tomorrow morning for tomorrow's event. We were like, let's just go one day early in case it gets delayed. If we went tomorrow morning, this whole event would have been canned. We wouldn't have been able to go only for the
I feel
event.
many people wouldn't have reached today if they had an event.
Yeah, oh sorry. Guys, our flight was supposed to be at 4 p.m. We have taken off at 7 p.m. from Bombay, and then we've come here and we've been waiting at the belt for an hour for our bags. 1 hour it has been. And there are these stupid boards everywhere that say best airport in India and South Asia.
For 7 years.
For 7 years consecutively. Who is making you the best airport? And there's no staff here also. Like, there's no one to ask and be like, sir, where are our bags?
Is it yours? I don't know.
Are there bags coming?
One
Black is coming, which
At least we reached. Made it to the hotel. Guys, the room is so nice. We were stressed, but the room is great.
The bathroom is nice. That's what's important.
Yeah, facts. And here, look. Kanchi and I always get this bathroom. We ordered momos and it reached at the perfect time. We are about to eat. Oh my god, so hungry. It's almost 11. No, what's the time? Hungry! Yeah, the kurkure one is really good. But even the steam looks good only. Cheers. Yummy. What are you doing?
The pillow is not good at all. Look at it.
Next time go like Janvi Kapoor with your pillow in your hand.
How to sleep like this?
One though she's kept the other pillow here.
Where to keep?
Why are you struggling?
You know, like if a hotel is crazy good,
Yeah.
if they have a pillow menu.
That's what I asked you usually na. One pillow is like little hard and one is soft. So you can choose.
Both are same.
It's hard or soft.
It's hard. See now it's becoming soft because
Yeah, it's not bad.
yeah.
The fire alarm is going off. We were going to sleep. Genuinely, what the hell is happening today?
2:30.
Should we? I feel like we should go down. Let's leave. What happened? Bro.
Someone is on masti because West said niche it's completely normal. There's no issue.
Okay,
It goes
fine.
on.
Okay, we'll call you when it goes off the alarm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
are trying to figure out what's happening right now, but there's no like fire, so we are safe.
Oh, grand entry. Good morning. What's the time? 9:58. Kancha has got a cough, I think. You've
Like
been
a
coughing
dry
this
cough.
morning. Yeah. It's cold also here. And pollution also.
So,
Is she awake?
hi, good morning.
Kanchi's breakfast plate.
It's a good mix this time.
Good job. It's looking like you're 24.
Healthy. Not healthy, not.
Not bad. That's my breakfast plate and coffee.
She asked us also, do you want one?
So
We said
nice.
one.
Twins are in action. We're in all white for the event. We're doing a makeup. Our makeup pouches are twinning. Kanchi is always ready before me no matter what I do. That's my outfit. I'm gonna freeze. But at least it's cute. Cup is also looking good only. Videographer's on time because Kanchi found him, so obviously he has to be on
But I
time.
know us and we are from another city and he wants us, like, he wants to be.
Yeah, true.
And maybe because here everything is too far. So he would have left.
He left an hour early, you know. We have been at Nikaland for like hours at this point. I forgot to vlog. But we finished the brand video and we're gonna get some boba or just drink something because we haven't really eaten anything since breakfast. We've just been running around and my feet are hurting because my boots are like
We are
not the
right
most
outside the booth,
comfy.
like we are getting something to drink. Like bahar only.
Tell her from the gate where we exit from.
We took them. Hello.
How was your day at Nikaland? Very hectic actually. Coconut coffee boba latte?
With the matcha.
That sounds good.
He went.
He left. Can you tell how tired all of us are?
So pack our bags and the hotel then. What did he say?
How could you let me not empty one room?
We are back from Nikaland. We're about to leave this room. Oh no. Oh no. And go grab something to eat. Kanchi and I really want chole bhature. I don't know if we'll find that. There's one place like below the hotel outside. So we're just gonna go there and walk and eat something. We haven't eaten anything since breakfast. So we're all very hungry and hangry and cranky. I really want to take my makeup off. I really want to take my makeup off first and just feel, you know, clean.
Very different from my home.
Guys, I just met my old friend from school and like it was so weird because she recognized me but I didn't even notice. Like I feel like people know too much about our lives. I don't know any of my friends. I don't know what they're doing in life. But it was so good to see her.
Special kulcha, puri, chole.
Just order everything. Let's eat. And she suggested that we come to Nathu's for chole kulche because we're like right here. We didn't want to take an Uber anywhere, so we're just eating.
No,
Chole kulche and papri chaat. Let's go.
what the fuck is this kulcha?
It's a cloud. I don't know why Kanch and Vesh both refused to get Digi Yatra, but I'm waiting in the check-in line waiting for them. Hopefully they're here soon because this line I'm already going to make it to check-in. Anyway, can't wait to go home and sleep. Hello, I'm back in Bombay, back to this annoying construction noise. It's like non-stop. I just woke up. I've had such a long week. I'm so tired. Yes, I'm shooting this outro 1 week later. You know, if you go on a trip and you don't do an outro, that it was a good trip. Honestly, we were so tired the day we came back. I was so tired when I came home. I just like crashed out and then the next day I woke up and I just started the week like, you know, head on. Ah! Shut up. I'm gonna end this vlog. Here. I hope you enjoyed our trip to Delhi and I loved meeting all of you guys in Nikaland. That was the best part of Delhi for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.